viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see Meenakshi Sundareswarar temple, which is in Nannimangalam, near Lalgudi. It's in Trichy district of Tamil Nadu. Nannimangalam is also called as Seni Vaikal. The temple is believed to be 1200 years old. The legends. There's a snake pit near the compound of this temple. It is believed that snake from the pit enters the sanctum via Komukam and stays at night in the sanctum. Snake returns back to the pit when it hears the priest's pasurams. Swarna Velvet Tree. It is believed that when Brahma was having 5 faces, worshipped Lord Shiva here. Lord Shiva gave darshan to Brahma with 5 faces. Since Brahma worshipped Lord Shiva with 5 heads and attained salvation, this place is called as Seni. Seni means head. Lord Shiva gifted Swarna Vilva tree to Lord Brahma. In turn, Lord Brahma gifted it to Lord Kubera. Kubera gifted the same to his sons Manikriva and Nalakuban and said this tree will be visible to Siddhas only. Further, he asked him to plant the tree in earth on appropriate place and start worship. A divine voice guided them to Tirutavadurai. They took bath in the Shiva Ganga Tirtham and they were surprised to get up in some other place. Also, the Swarna Vilva tree got disappeared from their hands. At that time, sanctum door got opened and they found the Vilva tree with the Maragada Lingam in the sanctum. This incident happened in this place on a Paunami day. The presiding deity is called as Sundareswarar and mother is called as Meenakshi. The temple is believed to be built by Pandya king. The largest Maragada Lingam in the world is in this ancient temple. But this temple is not known to people. Shrines of Valli Devasena Murugan, Saniswarar, Bhairava, Sevi Saitha Vinayagar, Lakshmi Narayana Perumal, Varadaraja Perumal, along with his consorts Sri Devi and Bhudevi, 2 Chandigeswarar can be seen in this temple. Stalaviksham is sandalwood tree and Pon Vilvam tree. There is a snake pit near the compound of this temple. This temple is located at about 3 kilometers from Lalgudi, 3.5 kilometers from Lalgudi bus station, 4 kilometers from Lalgudi railway station, 7 kilometers from Anbil, 26 kilometers from Trichy, and 31 kilometers from Trichy airport. The temple is facing west with an entrance arch. Stucco image of Kubera doing puja to Lord Shiva is on the arch. Moreover is a little level below the Artha Mandapa, Antarala. Moreover is in dark green color, about 5 feet tall. Rishabham and Palipidam are in the Mukta Mandapam. In Koshtam, Dakshinamurti and Vishnu Durgai. 2 Chandigeswarar. 1 Chandigeswarar is sitting Kadakasana and other is in the Artha Padmasanam. Bhairavar is holding Kapala, Tirisulam, Damaru and Pasam. And Navagrahas, all the 8 Grahas are facing Suryan. Ambal is in the Artha Mandapam facing south. Ambal Meenakshi is in standing posture and wearing a meti in a leg finger. In Lakshmi Narayana temple, Lakshmi is on the left lap of Narayanar and Narayanar is in a sitting posture. Varadaraja Perumal with Sri Devi and Bhudevi is on the left side of Lakshmi Narayana Sannidhi. As per Sthala Purana, 3 leaves of Vilvacharam could not find even in Devaloka. If the Vilvacharam is placed on a Shuyambhu Lingam and chant Namashivaya mantra, the Vilvacharam will turn into gold and grow multifold with wealth. This Vilvacharam will be visible only to those with divine Shakti or power. Lord Shiva gave this Vilvacharam to Kubera. So Kubera asked his sons Manikirvan and Nalakuban to go to the Bhuloka and find out the sacredness of this Vilvacharam and in which temple it will grow in multifold. When they were holding, it was visible to them. They came to this Bhuloka and worshipped Shiva of many temples. The Vilvacharam doesn't grow and in some places disappear too. They came to Tiruvannamalai and worshipped Lord Annamalayar, keeping the Vilvacharam on the feet. They prayed Annamalayar to guide them to the Shiva temple where this Vilvacharam will grow multifold. Lord Shiva guided them to the south to this temple at Chenni Vaikal, where Lord Shiva as Sundareswarar and Ambal as Meenachi on the banks of river Kaveri. தென்திசை காவேரி இயல்சீர் சேர் சென்னி சிவக்கயல் சுந்தரம் பார். Happy with the guidance of Sri Annamaliyar, Gobera's sons Manikrivan and Nalagoban went to Tiruthavakturai Sri Saptariswara temple at Lalgudi with the Vilvasaram. Both took bath in the Sivagangai and found that their Swarna Vilvasaram had disappeared. Worried brothers went inside the temple and found that their Vilvasaram multiplied manyfold when they chant the Namah Shivaya mantra, and they were happy. Finally, they came to this temple and placed the Vilvacharam on the Shiva Linga and chanted the Namah Shivaya mantra. To their surprise, the Vilvacharam grew in multifold and turned to gold. Knowing this sacredness of this temple, Gobera also came to this temple and worshipped Lord Shiva. So the Shiva devotees, after completing the circumambulation of Tiruvannamalai hills on the Paurnami days, full moon day, came to this temple and worships Lord Shiva. They do Adi Prachanam of the Sthala Vriksha Vilva tree. It is believed that by doing so, the wealth earned through hard labor and good and genuine way will grow multifold through Mahalakshmi. In continuation to the legend, Sri Annamalayar guided Gobera's sons to this temple in Chennai, Valanadu. Since Lord Brahma with 5 head, Chenni head, the 5 heads are Satya Yojadam, Vamadevam, Agoram, Tatpurusam and Isanam, came to this temple, worshipped Lord Shiva and attained moksha. Hence, Lord Shiva is called as Chenni Sivam. The Adipati of all Crow, Naga Loka, Sri Astika Sittar Yoga Sugana, during his yatra, used to come to this temple. The presence of Gobera Chandra, Nagas, snakes is more in this place. There is an ant hill in a coconut farm near the temple. Devotees used to do puja on Paurnami days. It is believed that Suryan worships Lord Shiva daily before sunset. This happens first 3 weeks of Panguni month. Sun rays falls on Mulavar during sunset. During that time, Lord Shiva, dark color Shiva Linga, glitters like jewel. Apart from regular pujas, special pujas are conducted on Ekadasi, Pradosham, Adi and Thai month, Fridays, Vaihunda Ekadasi, Maha Shivaratri, Saptasthala, Peruvila and Paurnami Abhishekam. This temple is kept open between 7 to 12 and 5 to 8 p.m. Let's all pray to this Lord and Goddess and get their blessings. Thank you, viewers. Bye bye, viewers.